Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do always on display battery drain test in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So right now the battery percentage is of 33% and I am waiting for the battery percentage to decrease to 32 so that I can start the battery drain test exactly when it dropped the battery percentage. So just I am waiting for the battery to be dropped, friends. So once it get dropped below 33, let's get started with the test. As you can see friends, right now the battery dropped immediately to 32. So time is around 8:35 and after 1 hour of using this always on display feature, as you can see here friends, 9:36 the battery drop did not even drop even 1%. So it's stayed constantly at 32% as you can see here clearly. So again I'll be back after it get dropped to 1% so that we'll get to know how many hours it takes actually to drop even 1%. So I'm very curious to test this kind of test in the Samsung Galaxy M31 friends, which has a 6000 mAh of battery in the device. So immediately friends, after 3 minutes the battery got dropped to 31%. So overall it took about 1 hour and 3 minutes to drop 1% friends. So if you take these things into consideration, overall you can consider 1% for every 1 hour of drop. So that means you'll get toward the night, even if you turn on the always on display maybe for 7 to 8 hours, it will only drop 7 to 8% friend. That's a very good thing in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So because of this huge battery, 6000 mAh and always on display, so which helps the battery not to drain a lot. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. If you do have any queries, do comment below. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.